Hey guys, Javen here. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a quick review on this 360 mirror here. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a brand new video again. Short montage before this. This mirror over here is really versatile and effective to use. Yeah, it's basically just a 360 mirror. So it comes in this box over here. First impression wise, I think this is a really good tool to use if you want to cut your own hair. So basically this hooks over here. This is what hangs on the door. My hair over here as well as the back. I cut using this to see. So yeah guys, if you want to try this product as well, there's a 10% promo code down below where you can get this product. Thank you for lipfisbarbershop.com for sending me this product. I did not get paid for this video, but they did send me this product for free to try. And as always, if you guys like this video, let me know down in the comments below and chat back next time.